Checking time. Yes, slowly in the cut. Room tour. Beautiful room. This is located on the 22nd floor of JW Marriott KL. Let's check out the view. Wow! It's facing pavilion. This is the coffee station. We're going to have free coffee, capsule coffee, tea, complimentary water in a glass bottle, kettle, glass cups. Next, we have a safe here, and then it's an empty drawer for you to put your stuff. And then the fridge. Yeah, it's the fridge, the mini fridge. This is the work desk. Have a charging point, 3-pin point over here, and then below you also have another 3-pin point, a side couch, there's a phone here, alarm clock, as well as another charging point, 2 USB and 2 3-pin point, and the switch lights control, as well as the wall deco. It's a wardrobe. Hangers, umbrella. Wow. And this bedroom slippers. Another drawer. It's a toilet, bathroom, bidet, it's a sink, water, pressure, amenities, toothbrush, as well as hand soap, towels, soap, body lotion. Separate toilet. We have a bathtub here. Amenities, shampoo, conditioner, and body cleanser. And then they also have a shower area, as well as the rain shower on top. The bathtub looks really deep and nice. We have also a dressing table here, with mirrors, lots of mirrors, hair dryer, as well as full-length mirror. Overall look. Oh, that's another gorgeous view. Ooh. It's a little mini garden tunnel over here.